Are you worried about losing your license after a DUI arrest? One phone call that you must make to request your DMV hearing within 10 calendar days of your DUI arrest can delay or even stop that suspension, but only if you know exactly what to do. Let me walk you through it. I'm attorney Kara Stein-Conaway with the Stein-Conaway Law Firm. We help people facing DUI charges and other criminal cases in San Luis Obispo and Santa Maria courts. Today, I'm going to tell you how to request a DMV hearing step by step and share a mindset tool that can really help you stay grounded when you have a pending legal case. After a DUI arrest in California, your license is at risk of suspension. But you can challenge that by requesting an administrative per se or APS hearing through the DMV. Here's exactly what to do. Step 1. Grab your DS-367 form. This is the pink temporary license form that the officer gave you after your arrest. It contains key information for your hearing request. Step 2. Call the DMV to request a DMV hearing. Unfortunately, you cannot request a DMV hearing online or by going into a DMV field office. You will need to call in. Our firm exclusively handles DUI cases where the incident occurred in San Luis Obispo County or Santa Maria, California. Therefore, we recommend to our clients who were arrested in San Luis Obispo County or Santa Maria that they do the following. Call the Oxnard Driver Safety Office. As of the time of this recording, their phone number is 805-988-3050, and their office hours are Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Pacific, and on Wednesdays from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Pacific. Step 3. What to say on the phone. Once you reach a DMV representative, do the following. Request an administrative per se hearing or an APS hearing. Ask for a phone hearing. If you haven't hired an attorney yet, tell them you are currently not represented. Verify that your hearing request was made within the 10-day deadline. Step 4. Document everything. Write down the first name of the DMV representative you spoke with, the date and time of your call, and keep this for your records. A few things to know. The DMV may not give you the hearing date right away over the phone. If they don't, they will confirm that your request was received and will likely tell you that the hearing date will be mailed to you. Once you hire an attorney, provide your attorney with a copy of your notice of hearing immediately. Your attorney needs to put that date in your attorney's calendar. Missing that hearing results in license suspension. I am going to share something that can help you manage the emotional weight of this experience. Going through a DUI can be incredibly stressful because of the fear and uncertainty that it brings. In moments like this, your mindset matters. And one of the tools we recommend to our clients is from a book called The 4 Agreements by Don Miguel Ruiz. In Don Miguel Ruiz's second agreement, he teaches us not to make assumptions. It's easy to assume the worst after a DUI arrest. One assumption you might be making is thinking your license will be suspended automatically, or that there's nothing you can do to help your situation. But that's where this agreement becomes powerful. When you choose not to make assumptions, you stop the spiral of what ifs, and you start asking better questions. There are steps that you can take to protect your ability to drive after a DUI arrest. So instead of imagining the worst case scenario, take a breath. Focus on what's in your control. Ask yourself, what is the one action I can take right now to move things in a better direction? And then take that action. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you understand the steps you need to take to request a DMV hearing after a DUI arrest in California. If you found this information helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and tap the notification bell so that you don't miss out on more tips and guidance about navigating the legal system. And if you have any questions or need further guidance, drop a comment below. My team and I are here to support you.